It's the first of apparently 5 nets going up through the bushes. They've got little pockets in the net, so if the bird hits the net, obviously it just falls in the little pockets. A nice idyllic little spot. Obviously the perfect spot for bird ringing. Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things going on here. Very nice. This is another net going up. I think this one's specifically for the Kingfisher, hopefully. It's me, just going to check the first net. Oh, it's exciting. Don't know what we're going to get. This the third net we've checked, and there's something in it. It's good, isn't it? Don't know what it is yet. Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things going on here. Is it a warbler or is it a dunnock? It's a dunnock. Excellent.
You can't squash a bird's leg. You squeeze it. It won't. It won't hurt you. Right. So that's the ring on. Now I'll give Louise the ring number. Now, next thing I've got to do is try and age it, which is kind of difficult with these birds. But
Robins, blackbirds, all sorts
I'd
of
say
things.
it's probably an adult bird. Young birds now, all their feathers will be really, really fresh.
They'd be
Right.
fluffy a bit as
These,
well, wouldn't they?
see all the tails all worn, ragged,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and so
So all you've got to do presumably is just weigh him now, is it?
wing.
Oh,
Yeah,
wing
these
measurement.
normally around about 70 millimetres. Normally, this one's a bit longer, 72. So probably indicating it's quite an old bird, maybe. English bird.
Well, you would have thought it would have had more sense than flying into a net then.
Yeah.
Robins, blackbirds, all sorts. So you've gone this long without getting a ring?
Fat 0, muscle 2, so it's got no fat in it, which is quite normal. The birds are working really hard this time of year, feeding young.
I was going to say, they don't really eat that
All
much
in,
themselves, do they?
Burn any fat they got, they burn it off straight away. But when they start migrating, they start feeding.
Right.
Start building fat reserve. Not for so much these species, but warblers,
Yeah.
Yeah.
thrushes, birds that got.
Are dunnocks round all year round here, or do they come
Oh,
in?
dunnocks, yeah, they hardly move anywhere.
Right.
Yeah. And
Oh,
20.8.
Robins, blackbirds, all sorts.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
And underneath.
Oh, let him go.
Yeah.
Woohoo! We might have a Kingfisher. Possibly. I'm hoping. Yes, we have, definitely. Hey! Ooh, look. And as you said, this one's got a ring on it already, right? Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things going on here.
And a brood patch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That proves it's breeding.
Oh, right.
Still got
That purple bit?
that pink skin, yeah. Not totally bare yet, but it will be. So that's what keeps the eggs warm.
Oh, right, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things going on here.
83 wing.
That's just like mad.
40.2. Spider. See you, baby. You baby spider. 40.2.
That matters.
There you go. Do you want pictures? Or let it go?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it over here somewhere. Check something else. Give it.
Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things going on here. Fantastic.
Oh my
It's a
God.
reed bunting. A reed bunting.
Right. AFE.
Hang on.
It's a feisty little one, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things.
AFE 0176.
What do I put there on here then?
Reba. RE. E again. And BU. So it's age 4. Puts a female with a brew patch, a BP.
Is it a full
3.
patch?
Yeah, see this?
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, very quickly because she's got
Yeah,
eggs
yeah.
to sit on.
Yeah.
And 21.3.
Cool. Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things going on here.
Six mile. Wing 133.
Oh, dear.
No, 90.0. That's all done.
Gotcha.
Lovely birds, isn't it?
Beautiful. Robins, blackbirds,
Mm.
all yes. sorts of things going on here.
Right, there you go.
Oh, did your little ring?
Age 3. Wing. You're going to be alright. 75 wing.
Robins,
23.8.
blackbirds, all sorts of things going on here.
Oh. Oh, little birdie. You can have a crumble
Is it there?
through.
Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things going
Come a
on
long
here.
way, these birds. Sub-Saharan Africa, so they're
Oh, right.
probably coming from the Congo or somewhere like that.
Oh, wow.
69 wing.
Travelled a long way, mate.
Yeah. So age 4.
Robins, blackbirds, all sorts of things going on here.
Oh wow, look at him, he's so... Wait, let me know.
What a diddy little thing.
Hold on, I can't get him in focus, yeah.